Nehru Place, nestled in South Delhi, is India's largest electronics and IT hardware market, a paradise for tech lovers. From brand new laptops to refurbished desktops, the market caters to students, professionals, and startups alike. Skilled technicians offer quick repairs for mobiles, laptops, printers, and gaming consoles at pocket-friendly rates. The market is packed with components: RAM, SSDs, CPUs, motherboards, graphic cards, and more. Mobile phones, accessories, chargers, and screen protectors are available at wholesale prices. Software solutions, antivirus packages, and productivity tools are sold by licensed vendors and resellers. Content creators can shop for cameras, tripods, microphones, and lighting gear, all under one roof. Printers, scanners, cartridges, and office peripherals are available for both bulk and retail buyers. Networking tools like routers, LAN cables, switches, and biometric devices are easy to find. Freelancers and IT professionals often visit for affordable tech upgrades and repair services. Bargaining is part of the culture. Negotiation skills can unlock great deals. Many shops offer GST billing and warranty-backed products for peace of mind. Refurbished laptops with warranties start as low as 10,000 rupee, ideal for budget-conscious buyers. Always inspect products before purchase. Testing stations are available in most stores. Some vendors offer short-term computer courses and software training at affordable rates. Musical instruments, headphones, and audio gear are also tucked into niche corners of the market. Stationery, books, and office supplies add to the market's diverse offerings. Street-side stalls sell budget clothing, accessories, and quirky tech-themed fashion. Foodies rejoice. Momos, chole bhature, and pav bhaji await just outside the tech maze. Recharge at nearby cafés like Epicuria or grab a quick coffee at Barista. Nehru Place Metro Station Violet Line makes the market easily accessible. Open Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., closed on Sundays. The market's vibrant chaos is a visual treat, perfect for vloggers and storytellers. Close to Lotus Temple and Kalkaji Mandir, ideal for combining tech and travel. Entrepreneurs source bulk tech items and IT solutions for their ventures here. Web hosting, domain registration, and graphic design services are also available. CCTV systems, smart locks, and security gadgets are popular among homeowners. Souvenirs, handicrafts, and textiles from Nehru Place Emporium add a cultural touch. Stay alert, compare prices, and avoid touts. Smart shopping is key. Nehru Place isn't just a market. It's a living, breathing tech ecosystem.